While the two genders have been battling it out for years, this morning we're asking ourselves, so we're asking you guys to play along as well, who really does it better? Saki and I will be given a few statements about the sexes to see how we weigh in on who does it better, whether it's true or, as we would say, through or false.
See, I don't know if it's a good idea for the two of us to be honest.
It do. The source this morning, the BBC Telegraph, Cosmopolitan, and Elle. The first one is, women are better communicators.
See, all the men say yes too, so I guess.
All of the men say yes?
Yeah, they're all nodding.
Mark?
Everybody's nodding.
Yes? Yes, Claire?
Through.
Chad? Spanish Town?
Why do you?
Harrow?
Harrow no business.
No, he going to business. Harrow? Through or fast? Are women better communicators? Yes,
Of course, I wouldn't think so.
Or Grinch. Men are better at improvising.
No.
Men tend to be more confident when it comes to their performance. Even when unprepared, research shows men often believe they can wing it.
Believe?
They probably believe they can
But they
wing
don't
it,
usually
but do
wing
they?
it as better as women. I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. False.
Fast.
Women eat healthier than men. If I'm me, I judge it by mood. I said that fast.
This one hard to judge
Yeah, I
because
know.
different people
You
eating differently. But a survey of more than 14,000 people conducted by the University of Minnesota, this is foreign, showed that women choose far healthier foods than men. While men are more likely to chow down on frozen pizza and red meat, women are piling fruits and veggies onto their plates. I believe that.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to say yes.
I'll just do this.
So you're in the middle.
You got it. Into
All right.
the middle.
Men are better negotiators.
And I say true because men are usually more confident when it comes on to financial situations and getting what they deserve because they're accustomed to
Getting what they
don't
deserve.
True.
Um,
But them stand
sorry.
up on them quick off to stand up on them 2 foot and say, yo, at this moment.
But also, I hate to tell you that there's a culture that we have, and it's not just in foreign, but it's here, where men are in better stead. Usually they don't have to negotiate as much as women.
Definitely.
Because being a man gives you already one-upmanship.
Yeah, man.
So there was an article the other day that I read where men are saying, or the article said, that a man is more likely to get more pay than a woman who is twice as qualified as he is, just because starting out the gate he's a man. So are men better negotiators? I don't know. I just think you guys get a better
Kickstart because
start than
appendages.
Yeah.
Aha.
Yeah.
Women have stronger immune systems. I don't know if that's true. I just know that the reaction to sickness is so much different. When man gets sick, oh my God, I can't get up. Oh.
Can you pass this off for me?
Oh no.
Okay.
Woman gets sick. Come, you still have to go to school, hon. Get up, get yourself ready.
Gotta go to work.
Because we have stuff to do. You know, we got stuff to do. So I don't know if that's true. I don't think we have better immune systems. I just think we handle sickness differently.
Well, if you look at this article, this is it. No wonder men act like such babies when they have a sniffle. Women really do have stronger immune systems than men.
And that's science.
If there are little battles going on in our bodies, women have a secret weapon: estrogen.
But
Men, you don't have that. Sorry.
Let's hope.
A study done by McGill University indicated that estrogen gives women an edge when it comes to fighting off infections. And with the things that we have to go through every month, it is clearer we are stronger in that aspect than men.
Men are better navigators than women. With Google Maps, everybody's a good navigator, so I don't know.
That's not true. I get it.
You what? Okay, answer to the question then. Men are better navigators because someone lost with Google Maps, so.
I lost as a rule. It's true. Yeah, I just lost. I'm very directionally challenged.
Same. You have a map and the thing said turn left in 500 meters. Oh, you have lost. It says in 600 meters, turn right.
My Google lady does not talk.
What?
I can't get
You
her
turn
to
her
speak.
off. You turn her off. Your speakers.
Well, can you look
I will.
on my phone for me and show me how to turn her on?
All right, honey. I'll do that
I
for
mean, you know what I mean, Marv. Don't be a slacker. Also, though, men are better navigators, maybe. But both men and women in Jamaica, when we're navigating, Google or otherwise, we have to turn on our radio because we can't be distracted. Because, you know, if you're looking for somewhere, you can't hear anything, right? So it's like, I'm going down there. Let me see where I'm going.
To us.
Let me turn down the radio.
So you turn.
What?
That's all you hear.
Those two things have nothing to do with each other. Women are better at sustaining relationships.
And that is because we put more effort into it, and men are usually more laid back than women. So we want to celebrate every little thing. They're like, okay. Which one I want to remember
mean, why?
on a dating anniversary?
Marvin, why are you going to be a tough turn?
That's because you just start date chatting. I'm not talking about you.
Chad
I'm
get
talking
a
about
girlfriend?
people that were
Chad
there
find
for a long
girlfriend?
time. Yeah, you never know.
Chad?
I'll show you a picture.
New love?
So,
Congratulations.
I'll talk to you, Sam.
That's nice. Don't ask Marvin this question.
Marvin, you remember that?
Clive is this guy. Clive is this guy who
He
celebrates,
seems to be that guy.
you know,
Yeah.
Harrow,
Harrow's in their world too long to
Harrow's
celebrate
like,
nothing
baby,
else,
there's
so.
a play going on at so-and-so. Sakine and Delia are in it. Here's a ticket.
Him not go with you.
Yeah, yeah. You go. Women are better at sustaining relationships.
That's true. Last one. Men handle stress better than women. Okay, this is the first one we're actually split on.
Why you say true?
I think a lot of the times women handle pressure because we have to. But when stress comes, I don't think the men show it as much. Like, they kind of keep all of their stuff together. So if they're under pressure and under a lot of stress, you hardly ever know. Why do you say nay?
Why do I say nay? Because I think women are superheroes.
We are.
And I think that the amount of women who are walking around with responsibilities and demands and deadlines and juggling 15,000 different things and a bag of emotional, traumatic, all sorts of issues.
That is true.
And you would never know.
That is true. That is true.
Because we're handling it.
But
Because
you see,
like how Saki said a while ago, if a man gets sick, I think women have an innate capacity
to manage weight.
to what is that word? It's like on autopilot all the time. It just has to get done despite what is going on.
Okay.
I'm not sure men
Have that.
have that gene.
I just think you don't see man stress. But guess what?
Maybe. But you see,
her
with man
fault.
stress, other aspect of their life start to suffer.
That is true.
When the woman
That
is
is
juggling,
true.
nothing don't drop. All right, still to come. You see now,
Still to come.
Hara step from behind the camera now, so you know.
The Port Antonio High School cheerleading squad show us a few moves and cheers. But first, here's news in 5.
Is that true or false?
Thrill!